皆さんこんばんは。元気ですか？ So today is A2 kanji. It's very easy and very important kanji today is moon. The moon is so important? Yes, because we can make so many vocabulary. It's so important. Okay, let's check. So, first of all, the moon. Okay, the moon kanji. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to say the moon, you will just write down this kanji and pronunciation tsuki. Okay, sometimes we say otsuki-sama. It's very cute way, like for the kids we say otsuki-sama, tsuki, otsuki-sama. So we can make actually more vocabulary. So do you remember this kanji? It's number 1. If you don't remember, please check other video, number 1, 2, 3. So number 1 and tsuki together and pronunciation is 1月 1月 January. January, okay, 1月 very easy. Number 2 and tsuki together is second month, which means February. Pronunciation 2月 Okay, so next is third month, which means March. 3月 Okay, and fourth month, which means 4月 April. Okay, 1月、2月、3月、4月 and fifth month 5月 May. So 6 months 6月 June. Okay, and 7th month 7月 July. Okay, and 8月 8th month 8月 August. And 9th month 9月 September. Okay, English is more difficult. September. Okay, 9月 Okay, 10th month 10月 October. Okay, so I will erase here. And okay, can you see? 10 and 1. 10 and 1. 11月 November. And 12月 December. Okay, so let's check the pronunciation one more time, okay? Tsuki, the moon. Otsuki-sama, little bit cute way. The moon. 1月 January. 2月 February. 3月 March. 4月 April. 5月 May. 6月 June. 7月 July. 8月 August. 9月 September. 10月 October. 11月 November. 12月 December. So how was it? It's very important, basic things. Okay, so kanji and vocabulary. Let's learn together and try to write down the diary from today. Okay, like today's December. I did something. Just short sentence. It's very practical. So good luck.
Like the wind, running free. We were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where